You need to employ or get a lesson tutor when you can have AI as your teacher, organize as your teacher. Okay, sometimes you need to get a lesson teacher. On this video, I'll be showing you how secondary school students can set up AI properly. There is an AI smart study system with ChatGPT. Let's go straight into the video. So the first thing you will do by just starting out, if you open it, first of all, make sure that you've registered your ChatGPT account. Then you come into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool, a generative AI tool. It can generate text, it generates new text, it generates images. ChatGPT also reads images. It's like a machine, a Swiss knife, like a machine. And you can use this for yourself productively. So first of all, for you to do this, you need to go into new project. You will see new project. You can see new project here. New project. You can see it here. Go to new project. Then click on new project. Then you will now type in what you want that your school system to be like. What name you want to give to the school system. Okay, for instance, I can say that, okay, let's see my lesson, okay, my lesson teachers, okay, my lesson teacher. I'll put it as my lesson teachers. So I'll now click on create project here. Click on that. So you create project. Then now you've created a room for all your lesson teachers. Now, how do we now get these lesson teachers? We have to activate them with a prompt. A prompt is simply any instruction that you put inside this place here. A prompt is any instruction you put inside this place here. That's to make AI do what it should do. So now we are going to go get the prompt, and you should have this document already with you. If not, I'll share it in the link below in this video. So you come to, there's a document here where you get the prompt in the AI Smart Student Guide. So you come straight to page, this is page 6. You can see this now, the AI Smart Student Master Prompt Project Prompt. So you are my AI Smart Student System. Your role is to build a structured, personalized academic support system for me based on my class subjects and goals. But you must activate it step by step so that I'm never overwhelmed. You are not just answering questions, you are building a long-term learning framework, and you read all that. Just take your time to read it, is important. So what I'll do right now is to copy all this. All these things is what you will use. You will copy everything down to the end of this blue. Copy everything is needed down to this place here. Copy it to this place. Now begin by asking the 3 questions. You can see now all these are prompts. All these are the instructions you feed to AI. Some people use AI like they use Google, but from now on, you should not be using AI like that. Use AI like a master. Okay, now all these prompts, now you put those prompts, copy and paste now on this new chat. You paste it now. You can see all of them all together. Then you send. You click on send here. Okay. So it now asks you these 3 questions. Number 1, what class are you in? Number 2, what subjects do you offer? Number 3, what are your goals this term? For example, better grades, WAEC success, deeper understanding, confidence, discipline, better memory. Please make sure that before you write anything on ChatGPT, make sure that you write something down on a notebook. I repeat, write on your notebook. The faintest pen is better than the sharpest brain. So write all this on your notebook first. What class do you belong? Number one. What subject do you offer? Write all of them: math, English, physics, chemistry. If you are in secondary school, math, English, Yoruba, integrated science, CRS, or depend on so write. And also the number three is very very important, because it will help ChatGPT to know where you are. Number three is very important. Write what are your goals in this term. So the next thing now, you write them in a piece of paper. Okay, let me assume that I've written them, because in this form here I have, and let me assume I've written them here. I now type it. I now copy. Let's say I've typed it now. Copy, then I'll paste it. Are you following? Are you seeing what I'm doing? Follow what I'm doing. I'll paste it here. I'll paste. So this is number one. I am in SS2. Number two, my subjects are English language, mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics, geography, depending on what it. So my goals, look at this, very important. My science, understand my science subject better, improve my math, and prepare for my WAEC exam next year. You can see this is very specific. Maybe you might be having problem with English, you might be having problem with any subject that you're having problem with. I then specify in your goals. Very very important. I'm stressing this is very important. So you send. Okay, so now he said now, so this is now okay. SS2, it has confirmed. Now step 2, personalization. What name will you like this system to call you? Will you like to give your study mentor a name? Okay, for instance, let's say I am Johnny Bravo. I want you to call me Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo. Okay, and I want my assistant to be called Jarvis. Okay, Jarvis. Okay, I send. Okay, now it's calling me Johnny Bravo. For you, you know your name, let it call you your own name. So Johnny Bravo, your AI Smart system has 3 parts. Subject teachers, 1 expert teacher for each subject. Personal study mentor, Jarvis, builds discipline. And number 3, general learning rules, the system that trains you to think independently. Okay, now I will activate now step 4. Subject teachers activation. The first subject is English language. Should I generate your ready to copy English language prompt now? You type yes. Okay. All right now. So it's generating. That's generated the prompt. As I said, prompt is simply instructions. So it has generated the instruction. I copy it here. See this copy code here. You copy it here. Copy. See, you are my SS2 English language teacher. Prepare me for WAEC. Your role: teach me step by step. Build my grammar, comprehension, writing, and oral English. Prepare me so all those things. Then you now come to this place now. You come to this side here and you click go back. You go back. First of all, before you do anything, you have to rename this. Let's say I rename this as my school administrator. Let me say Mr. Samuel, the principal, because he's the one that is employing all the teachers. So because that's where the prompt is coming. So Mr. Ward, I can say the proprietor, all this. So you can call it whatever name you want. You can even put an emoji. It will make it look wonderful. Emoji. Let me put an find emoji. Okay, put an emoji there. Yes. So on a new chat now, we want to create your English teacher. On a new chat, you put, then you send. Good. So now this chat here is focused on teaching you only English. So anytime you want to learn English language, you want to be better, anytime you are being taught, you come to this particular chat and you start your conversation with this. So you have to name this, every chat that you have to name it. You rename. When I for need, I will long press to rename. Is quite easy. Long press, then click on rename, then you can change it. So I rename it as Mrs. Adesina, my English teacher, or whatever name you want to give. English teacher, my English Adesina. You know the name of your teacher. You can put I love emojis, so you can put emoji there. Emoji. Okay, that is English teacher now. So we come to the principal, Mrs. Sao. So we now say, should I generate your next subject teacher? Yes. Should I generate your copy? Okay. Yes. Okay, right. All right, now he has generated this format now. What you just do is copy, then sorry, then you go back. You can see you copy, then you go back, then you look on new chat. On new chat here, that's where you come to. Then you paste it here, then you send it. It's going blah, like that. So you now have your math teacher. Go back, rename. Okay, sorry, it's up here. Any new chat you do, is goes up. Rename here. What's your math teacher name? Mr. Shewara. Put an emoji there. It's not compulsory put emoji, but just put it there just to make it look good. Okay, that's for math teacher. Make sure you add your math teacher, or except you know the teacher's name. Then you go to your principal. What did he say? He says here, should I generate? Yes. And also the prompt. Look at that now. Okay, yes. Okay. So now for biology, you now understand what I'm doing right now. Okay, there's something that happened. I didn't wait for it to complete. I didn't wait for it to complete the prompt. So I'll do it again. So let the prompt complete before you go and paste. Don't do the mistake I made right now. So I'll go and repaste that thing again so that it can give me the right thing. Okay. So now this is biology. I'll name my biology teacher as Mr. George. Okay. Biology. Put my emoji there. Okay, so the next one. Yes. Yes. So this is what I'll do right now. I'll quickly pause this video and do everything so that it will not take your time, but you should understand what I'm. Okay, now, so I've been able to build all my teachers, every one of them. This is Mr. Samuel, the principal, Loki, the economics teacher, Mr. Cambridge, Mr. David, Mrs. Camera, all of them. So now I want to, this is the final one, to get my mentor. So I'll go to my principal. So I've already done. So my mentor is Jarvis. Remember in the beginning, he asked me who I want to my mentor to be called, and he chose Jarvis. So Jarvis, then so what Jarvis is to do is to guide me, help me plan myself, just like a counselor in a school, what a counselor does. So okay, so what I'll do right now is to paste on the new chat as I've done. I send it. Okay, so now we have all our teachers, everyone in place, even our mentor Jarvis. Remember Jarvis, my school mentor, just like your counselor. So it's for this will be the person that will be guiding you, help you to prepare your timetable, help you to, maybe you want to share thoughts about your learning challenges, how to focus better, whatever it is. This is like a counselor in ChatGPT. So you can see right now you've created like this a mini school in ChatGPT. You've created this already, and now you already have a school inside your phone. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't this wonderful? So let's say you want to learn English. Let me go to the document. This is how to talk to your teacher. So right now, for instance, you want please do well to read this. Very, very important. How to talk, very, very important. Okay, let's now say biology. I want you use this formula. You go to, I want to study. I am in SS2 biology for studying for biology. I am in SS2 studying biology for work. I have never studied photosynthesis before. Please explain it simply like I'm 12. Use a Nigerian example like a mango tree or a farm. Teach it to me step by step with a simple text diagram. Then give me 3 practical questions. After I answer, mark my work and tell me exactly where I've gone wrong. So I copy this. So you can ask your questions if you are giving work in school and you want more clarification. Talk to it. So where is the biology? So Mr. George is biology now. I'll paste that prompt or instruction here. Then Mr. George will do what he should do. So it says you have never studied it before. Good. We start from 0. So now it gives photosynthesis is how green plants learn. Green plant. So you can see this is amazing. You can see this is the WAEC definition. So you understand the normal definition, but this is the WAEC definition. So for you to understand it, you can see now. You can see it has even given a diagram here. It has even given you question, some common WAEC question that can come out. It even give you common mistakes students make. So now this is the question that you practice. This is where the magic happens, because reading without review is going to lead to leakage. So if you don't review whatever you've read, whatever you read, there's no retention. Reading without review, there's no retention. So it will ask a question, make sure you answer it. You can use the voice, you can write it on your book and snap it and send to ChatGPT, or you can write it first. But first of all, make sure you write it down. Don't just speak. Write it down on your book, your notebook. Always make sure that you are having a notebook to study while you are talking with ChatGPT, while you are talking to your teachers. Don't study without a notebook I repeat, don't study without a notebook. I repeat, don't study without a notebook. Anytime you're studying, for every subject, have your separate note for that subject. So you answer the question and you send it to ChatGPT and it will score you. And you see, you become learning, and you learn, and you become a learning machine. You learn better and you learn faster and you learn smarter and you dominate your class. And they are going to ask you, how do you do it? How do you do it? They don't know that you plus AI equals superpower. You plus AI equals superpower. So this is how you use AI to win. This is how you use AI to become the best. This is how you use AI to become smarter and better. So if you are a parent watching this, structure matters. See, AI is not going away, but how your child uses AI, that makes the difference everywhere and every time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please drop a comment. What did you learn today that you are going to do today? So just drop a comment.